Welcome to this channel where we'll be discussing all things project management. We encourage you to subscribe to the channel and like these videos even as we make more videos for your viewing pleasure. We'll be looking at the Project Management Institute as the gold standard for the industry. Feel free to write your comments, your questions, so that we'll address them in subsequent videos. Very soon we'll be conducting a free online course and we'll make available to you how you can be part of it. Do you know that becoming a PMI certified project management professional is not as difficult as most people think? I remember many years ago, I went to the PMI website, logged in, signed on, and that was all. I didn't know what next to do. I went on for like 3 years, until someone introduced me to the training. And I went ahead to do the training, got the required contact hours, prepared for the exam, did my mock exam, wrote the exam, and passed with above average score. It doesn't have to be so, and that is what has inspired this set of videos, that if you are out there like I was before, that want to become certified but you don't know how to go about it, this is the platform for you. But before that, what you need to know is that the requirement for certification is not much. If you have a bachelor's degree, you need 3 years project management experience and 35 contact hours of training. If you're a secondary school leaver, you need 5 hours of project management experience and 35 hours contact training. We are here to provide you the required training to prepare you to pass the exam, or even to prepare you to continue to do your work as a project manager pending the time you are able to prepare and write the exam. If you want to know more, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave your comment in the comment section so that we can address it in subsequent videos and get in touch with you directly if possible.